Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A13 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to enter the software information and find the build number, which is obligatory in order to activate the developer options. So here all we have to do is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, so for example pattern, PIN or password, you have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, we've got the info that the developer mode, the developer options has been enabled. So now we can go back to the general settings. And here let's scroll down again. And as you can see, the developer options will appear right under the About Phone. So let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show text ID, we can for example show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth and overall to the networking, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of options. And if you'd like to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, for example here, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you are done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off completely just by tapping on this switcher at the very top. And as you can see, most of the options are inactive. And after getting back, you can see that the developer options simply disappeared from this general settings list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.